guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michael, and subscribe and do a big thumbs up. Hi guys, I'm making homemade ice cream. I'm going to pour my ingredients in. Oh. Close the bag and mix it up. Now I'm going to put this inside the bag and close it, then shake it up. While we wait, let me show you the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of cream, salt, and ice. Now open the bag, and now I'm going to taste my ice cream. It's good. Next time, make ice cream with me. Bye guys, like and subscribe. Bye.